things. I will go very fast. Okay. Okay. Mathematical foundation for computer science. வேலை செய்யணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே. யூனிட் 4, யூனிட் 5 வந்து நான் திருப்பி கூட நடத்தலாம். வாங்க. யூனிட் 4. Okay. In unit 4, displaying okay. Okay. So what is set? A set is a collection of web-defined objects. The objects are of a set are called elements. The sets are denoted by a capital letter A, B, C, and the elements are denoted by a small letter A, B, and C. If A is an element of the set F, then we define A intersect E. The symbol E means belongs to a member of AE or member of AE is these belong to S. If A is not an element of A, then we define A and E. Okay, so finite and infinite means I have explained that no, a set which contains specific number of distinct elements is called a finite set. Set is not finite, then it's called set to be infinite. Okay. Set, set operations and set identities. We will see today. A unit B intersection C. Like operations we use no A intersection C. Like operations we use. Identities you know. Okay. So representation of sets using Venn diagram. Yesterday we saw no how we can you have to share the colors. Okay. What's the problems? Work out that. Work all the examples. Okay. Relations. What is relation? Comparing to the others relationship. It is called as a relation. Function. What is a function? Whenever on I will take an example. You can take an example, right? Whenever a marriage reception or function is there, we are going no, we are going to the function on time, come on time, anything we are going. That means that function should be going on time. That means that functions. So we have types of function on, into, on to one, many to one, constant and identity. We will discuss one by one in detail. Into, on to. Into means coming into inside. Onto we are going outside is called onto. Onto one. Onto one function means Salman and Surya is onto one function. On people. Many to one. From Salman to other function. Copy constant function means A to B. Like that, we use this function. So composite function means whenever the composite or anything we can use the composite. Okay. Unit 4 over. Okay. Today we will teach Unit 5. Okay. Unit 5. Okay. Section 9. Graph theory. So before we entering into an concept, so what is a graph? Already we know that graph is a theory or something. One minute, I will send you. Okay, so 1 minute, I will share a screen.
वो लाइव क्लास में की है बोल ना नहीं
कल क्या मैं बोल रहा
तू बोल रहा है मुझे मैं आवाज से बात कर रही थी गुड बॉय
Okay, so what is a graph theory? What is a graph? G is a pair of sets that where V is a set of vertices and E is a set of edges. The most common representation of a graph is a diagram with the vertices and edges. The vertices or nodes are represented as the points or small circles. Edges are represented as line segments or curves joining on its and vertices. Directed and undirected. What is directed graph? The graph in which the elements of the edge set or ordered pairs of vertices is called direct graph or diagram. Order pairs V1 and Vj. Vj is Vj, V1, V1. That is the D diagram you understood. No, we are connecting E1, then A we connecting E2, then B we connecting E3, and C we connecting here. Then C we connecting E4, and D we connecting E5. That's it. Okay, we connecting like C1, DA, AB, C2, C2, AB, AC, E4, E5, AB. Okay. What is undirected graph? A graph in which the elements of the edge set are unordered pair of vertices are called undirected, that is non-directed. V1 and Vj denotes on the edge between Vj and Vj. So we're connecting the E1, E2, A E1, E2, B E3, C E4, then E5. Okay. Then we come AD, AB, CB, CD, VD. Okay. A graph in which the number of edges in zero is called as null graph. A edge joining a vertex to itself is called self loop. Parallel or multi in the graph, it may be a possible to add more. To add more. Okay, I will teach you in the simple level. Okay, graph theory I will explain in the Google Go. Then you can understand very clearly. Okay, it is very difficult. A graph G is a pair of sets where V is a set of vertices and E is a set of edge. The most commonly representation of graph is a diagram with the vertices and edges. Most common representation of graph is a diagram with vertices and edges. The vertices or nodes are represented as a point of small entities, small circles. Okay. Diagonal and diagonal means the edge set are all the parts. Okay, so diagonal I have explained it. Undiagonal means it should be a elements should be in edge. Okay, null, all these things you have multigraph. What is multigraph? It contains parallel elements. Complete graph means we should finish completely. Simple, very easy. Neither self loop or an edges is called simple graph. It may be possible to have from one edge or a single pair of vertices. That's all. So vertex is called self loop. A graph in which number of edges is zero is called as a null graph. Simple. Weighted graph means what? In which weights are assigned to every edge is called a weighted graph. Okay. So this is about your graph theory. So we are completed unit 5. Now we will be seeing computer organize half unit I have completed. Next we will go. Okay. Okay, unit we finishing today. If G is a simple graph, the n vertices and key components, then the number of edges is at most. So you have to write a proof. Okay, everything must be written. That's why I'm explaining. Okay, you should write this. The proof and all the disconnected. Isomorphism means the vertices and edges. Okay. Element graph means the graph should be a connected vertex. Okay. This is about your unit 5. In Max, unit 4 and unit 5 I have completed. Today we will see computer organization and operating system. It is very easy only. I will help you to explain. Very good. Very explanation I will be doing it. It is very easy. I will finish the computer organization first. Okay. Unit 4. Oh, I am not Sharda. Oh, sorry. Okay. Today we will be seeing scheduling algorithms in unit 4. Okay. First we'll understand scheduling algorithms. We will see first in, first serve scheduling. Listen, I'll explain in simple English. You can understand very better. So first term and first strong scheduling means that whenever a scheduled task has to be completed in the time, right? The process time will go, okay. P1, P2, P3, like that. Whenever a task is given, we must complete the task on time. Okay. Shortest job first is scheduling. Whenever you're finishing a job or anything, then it should be a completed first time. Okay. Round robin algorithm, you know right? You have learned in UG. I will explain in very simple English. You have learned in UG. We are implementing the scheduling, then it should be an implemented. Okay. Critical section problem, you know we have a problem. Okay. Unit 5 we will start. Okay. Unit 4 over. Okay. Okay. Unit 5. Okay. Today Today we will see swapping. What is swapping? Before we going into the last unit. The unit name is memory and file management. We will see today. What is memory? Before we getting into the 50 unit, what is memory and what is file? Memory, whenever you're storing in the mobile phone or hard disk, the memory gets increased. File management, whenever you are storing a file, we are creating the file, right? We are inserting some all photos, everything. That it can be whenever a file, we are opening the file, we are reading the file, we are writing the file, it should be a deleted, right? It should be deleted. What is swapping? Swapping means that continuously swap together. That is we mixed together. That means. Today we'll see continuous memory allocation. What is memory allocation? Memory allocation means the process should be completed. It will be high memory, it will be a low memory. Like that. Memory allocation means that it should be a store that whenever memory allocated, it will be allocated, right? First in, first out, best fit, worst fit algorithm, all these fit we can do it. Today we will see packaging, segmentation. What is packing? Simple. Packing means that whenever packing or any section we are doing, that must be completed. Okay. Segmentation we know, right? Whenever segmentation table is given, we must complete the segmentation. But in this data structure, it should be a virtual memory. We are using the memory. That means the work should be completed. Demanding paging means that some demanding pages, all these things we must complete. Copy on write. We are copying from one file, we are writing the file, we are typing. No. That means it should be a copy. Today we'll see file concepts. So far we saw about memory. Today we'll be seeing last second topic. File management, file concepts. Okay. What are the file operations? Creating, opening, writing, reading, deleting, all these files. I have explained it, right? I've explained it, creating and all these things. Access methods. Sequential access, direct access. Sequential access means we can access the file, okay? Direct access means it can be directly accessed. File sharing, we can share the file to among anyone. Protection can be protected by VPN. Okay. Today, these are the concepts we saw today. Today, Max, I have completed Unit 4 and Unit 5. In Computer Organization, Unit 4 and Unit 5 I have completed. Today, we will see data structures. DBMS. First, we will go with DBMS and then we will start with data structures. Okay. Unit 4. Okay. Okay. So, what is heap and sequential organization? Come on, tell me. Heap means that whenever heap organization it must be completed. No, sequential file organization means that file must be completed. Okay. Unit 5. Unit 4 completed. Okay. Unit 5 will go. So transactional concept. What is transaction? Unit 5 will be seeing transaction management. What is transaction? For example, whenever an account is credited, account, whenever you are sending a money to an account or any account we are sending, it will be corrected whenever account is credited. Account is it will be come back to that. active, partially commuted, failure, aborted, communicated. These are transactions. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These are asset properties they will be asking in interview. Concurrency control means that it will be reduce the waiting time, everything is can be reduced. Okay. Okay. Concurrency control I have explained it all. Okay. Deadlock recovery. We have deadlock recovery means that whenever a recovery has been completed, whenever a deadlock recovery is finished, that it can be recovered. Okay. So today we completed DBA Unit 4 and Unit 5. Okay. 2 units I have completed today. Today we will see Max, Computer Organization, DBMS. Today we will be going OOC, Object Oriented Software Engineering. Unit 4 and Unit 5. I will explain the concepts, okay? Okay. Object Oriented Design and Interface. What is object oriented design? Whenever a design is created, the design should be going to the customer. Subsystem layer, as an object, manage message, responsibility, analysis, design, all these things. We use everything we have known. What is design concept and abstraction? All these things we can finish. We use concepts that we have challenges that we have to implement a class, we have to extend a class, anything. That is interface. Managing design means that objects should be designed, technical address should become okay. Unit 4 I have completed in theory. Unit 5, the last unit, is implementation and testing. Okay. Mapping concepts. Model transformation, refactoring, forward, and reverse engineering. What is model transformation? Whenever you're creating any model or anything, the model should be transformed. Refactoring means you have to factor in a method. Okay, so this is now software, easy to understand, helps to develop, fixing of bugs, forward engineering, it will come forward. Reverse engineering, it will go reverse, that's all. What is purpose of testing? Improve the quality, all these things you know, right? Function. We have some things: unit testing, integration testing, system acceptance, and functional testing, structural testing. Bottom, top, bottom. Now you can go up, bottom. Top. Now you can come down. That's all. White box and black box testing. Okay. What is white box? It will be a white. Black box testing means it will be black box. This is the difference between white box and black box testing. You can take the photo of it. Knowledge of application code, knowledge of internal functioning, or white box testing. We can test many gradual aspects of the application. Black box testing, we test the end functionality of our application. It's generally performed by developers. Independent QA perform black box testing. It is applicable in lower level of testing. It is applicable to the higher level of testing, in which we have to deal with the models of and the interface in which we are required to test the application as a whole. Okay. Managing testing means we have to manage the test. Managing and controlling. We have to manage and we can control the testing. Okay. So types of maintenance. Maintenance means what? Whenever a maintenance is there, suppose we are what is the purpose of maintenance? What is the need? Okay, so we need something, no. Corrective maintenance. It isn't corrected, then we can correct the maintenance. Adaptive means we have to adopt the maintenance according. Preventive means we have to prevent the maintenance. Preventive perfective means we have to perfect the maintenance. Okay. Causes of software maintenance for maintenance problems proper. Lack of trackability, lack of code, objective legal system, all these things are cost. Maintenance all these things. Reverse engineering means what? We can use to come. Reverse engineering means and our object it can be work, okay? Re-engineering means we can go and re-engineering, that's it. That's all. So these are the important questions, you can note it. So please you know this, okay? Okay, unit 5 over. In Max I have completed 2 units. In Max 2 unit I have completed and DBMS 2 units. Computer organization 2 units I have completed. OSC 2 units I have completed. Today, data structures. Theory I will be completing today. Unit 4. Okay, so what is binary tree, Ma? So what is binary tree? Okay, implementation. You have to write in code, okay? That is that structure node int data, structure node left to right, then new node we are declaring, structure node another size of structure node, then we left to right, now left to right is null only. It will be written. That's all. So binary search, like creating insertion, deletion, all these things okay. In order means we have to in order. Pre-order poster, right? Pre-order post order. What is a graph? Adjacency matrix lists everything in a breadth first search and depth first search line amount. Whenever we are breadth first search, we can use a depth first search. For breadth first search, it is very easy that we can start everything, we can do it. Okay. Short, shortest path algorithm, which is the algorithm is what? When an algorithm is good, you can complete your algorithm. That's all. This algorithm is very easy that you can do. CRISPR algorithm very easy only. You can complete the CRISPR algorithm. Okay. Okay. Unit 4 I have completed ma. Unit 5. Okay. So what is uh algorithm? This brute force technique, divide and conquer technique, the aggressive diametric backtraction route. Okay. So what is brute force and divide force? So whenever any force technique has been there, it is change matrix multiplication. You right? How we can matrix can complete it. Dewey technique we will write author or Dewey techniques, diametric program we have known, and backstack training. All these things, the in-queen problem, everything we have compaction zone we have finished. Okay, measuring up input, running orders of code. Efficiency class means we can create a class. Okay, so one problem we have that mathematical analysis. Okay, with that we have completed data set 2 units. I have theory 2 units I have completed. Okay, that's all for today. I will meet you in the lab class. Thank you.